I do like my collection. Bunch of one-of-a-kinds. Love it. No, I wasn't talking about you, Pluto. Wasn't talking about you. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor. Questions, comments, perhaps concerns. Any and everything down below. Now then. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, look at this. Oh, that is very well done. So here we have a mask made of PEZ material. So currently we are going through the coronavirus outbreak. And you're being told to stay at home. But if you do go out, you need to wear a mask. And look at this one. It's so big to hold my big mouth. Love it. So this was custom made for me by Lee Robeson. I appreciate it very much so. I don't know if I want to wear this because I would like to display it with pride. And we aren't supposed to go outside, so stay at home and don't have to wear the mask. But if I do have to go out, I do have a mask. All right. But you folks who are going out there putting on gloves on your hands, and then you touch your items, and then you touch your mask, and then you touch your items, and then you touch your mask, and then you touch your steering wheel, and then you touch your cell phone, and then you touch everything, you touch. Stay at home. But if not, hey, we're ready to go out to keep the world safe if need be. Awesome. To those of you on the front lines, thank you. Thank you very much. And for those of you who are not listening, please stay at home. Please stay at home. Come on. Get your head in the game. But if you do go out, wear a mask. Protect you, protect others, and be safe. So that there will be a next time. So until then, thanks again, guys.